guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new around here, I'm Lara and I have done quite a few routine cleaning, like motivational videos for cleaning. So I thought I would do a video which kind of like rounds up my current favourite gadgets that I use for cleaning. I will link the playlist down in the description bar if you want to watch my cleaning motivation videos and my routine videos. There's loads of them and I've done loads of kind of minimalism videos as well, so I will link those playlists down below if you haven't seen them already. But I thought it'd just be a good idea to kind of show you guys what my current favourites are when it comes to the gadgets that I use, because I love a cleaning gadget and that sounds really geeky, but I think if there's something that makes my life easier when it comes to cleaning, I'm all over that. I just want to say that this video is not sponsored. I just thought it'd be useful if anyone else is looking for kind of products that other people use that they find really helpful for cleaning. And also, if you want me to, I can do a cleaning products like sprays and the smaller items that I use for cleaning. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in seeing that. But anyway, let's get into it and show you guys what my current favourite gadgets are for cleaning. Okay, so the first one on this list has to be, and it's brand new and I absolutely love it, is my Karcher window vac. I saved up for this product. I saw lots of people using it and I just have this real problem with being able to get streak-free clean windows. Like whenever I clean my windows, the sun will come out later in the day or something, that late evening sun, and I'll be like, no, they look so dirty or streaky. And this product is a game changer. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's so easy. You've got the spray, which actually I find leaks loads. So I now just use a normal window cleaner and I just spray that all over, and then you just get the vac and you slowly go down and it just like sucks up all the moisture and cleans the windows, and it means that they are streak free. The little cloth thing that comes with it, I think I bought the extra set. I'll link it down in the description bar as well if you're looking at buying one like this. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link that one down there for you guys. But it all came as one, so the spray, the cleaning cloths, and yeah, I can do it on indoor windows, I could do it on my doors, everything, like glass doors obviously. I actually was even considering doing the car with it because I just love using it. It's such a cool gadget. So yeah, that would have to be in at number one of my current favourite gadget. If you haven't got one, I would definitely recommend it because I just love it. It just makes it so easy to clean the windows and they come out nice and clean and streak free. Okay, so number two on my most used gadgets that I'm loving at the moment is going to be my steam mop. I've had this for so long. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below as well. But it basically just means that you don't need to use chemicals on the floor. You can actually add in cleaning fluid if you wanted to, but to be honest with you, the steam, it just cleans. It's 100-degree water, so it just cleans away any dirt and germs and any nasties. Obviously, having two little children, there is a lot of things that get walked through the house, and you know, they're always playing on the floor, and I just want it to be really clean. You can also use this in the shower, although I don't know where I put all the adapter heads, and you can use it on any surface basically that needs to be cleaned. So that is like wooden floors, stone floors, tiles, anything like that. So yeah, I really love this little gadget. It's quite a big head, but like I said, it did come with a smaller one that I have lost. So my third item, my third gadget, is gonna have to be this Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner. I absolutely love it. Like it's worth every penny. I absolutely love it. I used to have the older version, I can't remember what it's called, but this is the V8 Animal, I think. I'll link it in the description bar for you. But it's just so handy if you have a little spillage. Kids, that happens a lot, doesn't it? Am I right? There's so many spillages with children. Just whip it out and just, my husband actually said he's never seen in 10 years me do as much vacuuming as I do now that I own this vacuum cleaner. It's just so handy. As you can see, it's great for using on the stairs. It's great for getting into little nooks and crannies. I love doing all the cobwebs up in the corner of the room. You can do your car. It has quite a few different attachments. And the thin one to get through like little crannies like in the staircase and like down past the oven and in like around the toys, everything. I just absolutely love it. I actually think it might have lost a little bit of power, but I would be really interested to test out, like I know Shark do one, and also that, what's that one that man advertises on the TV? I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, if you know, let me know in the comments, because I'm sure I really would love to know how you guys find if you have cordless ones that aren't Dyson, because I just want to see it like as a comparison, because I think if we get another one, which we definitely will because I just use it all the time, I might look at getting the Shark or that other one that the man advertises. I can't remember what it's called. But if you own a handheld, you will know how handy they are. Honestly, it's worth every penny. So yeah, that is definitely on my favourites list. And my final favourite isn't really a gadget as such, but it's something I use, and it's this Microfiber Duster. I love this thing. It's so easy to use. As you can see, I get my little boy to help me as well. You can either use the spray or just use it just to dust dry, and it's just so handy. I think you can also use this for like wet, so you could use it like on windows, but I don't because I have my little handy back for that. And you can just use it, it just gets in I mean we have blinds, and it's really good for the blinds, and you can use it for just dusting normal surfaces. So yeah, I really love that. And this was actually from, I want to say like B&M or somewhere like that, but I'll try and find a similar one and link it in the description for you. Yeah, I absolutely love this little tool. I don't know, it's not really a gadget, but what would you call it? Cloth? So there we go guys, I hope you like that. I've got so many other products that I use, so if you did enjoy this video then let me know and I can make another one, like part 2 of what my favourite cleaning gadgets are. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new around here, I would love it if you wanted to subscribe to my channel. But that's it from me, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching, bye!